In 1861, as the American Civil War erupts, the Confederate States, in a bid to establish their own identity and economy, mint a small batch of silver half-dollars. These coins, born out of necessity and defiance, are crafted with precision, each bearing the emblem of a nation striving for recognition. Little do the minters know, among these coins lies one that will become a beacon of historical intrigue and financial fortune. Decades later, in a bustling flea market filled with forgotten treasures and hidden gems, a young coin collector named Sarah stumbles upon a peculiar find. Her eyes catch the glint of an old coin, its surface worn yet distinct, marked with the year 1861 and the emblem of the Confederacy. Intrigued by its history and rarity, she purchases the coin for a mere $5, unaware of the journey it is about to take her on. As Sarah delves into the history of her find, she uncovers the coin's true value, realizing it is one of the rarest Confederate half-dollars ever minted. The discovery presents her with a moral dilemma. Should she keep this valuable piece of history or attempt to return it to its rightful owner? Her conscience battles with her passion for collecting, setting her on a path of discovery and ethical contemplation. Sarah's journey takes her across the country, from dusty archives to grand libraries, meeting historians who share tales of the past and dodging unscrupulous dealers eager to exploit her find. Each encounter reveals more about the coin's provenance, weaving a complex web of secrets and stories that span generations. Her adventure becomes a quest, not just for knowledge, but for integrity and justice. At a high-stakes auction, the 1861 Confederate half-dollar is presented to a room filled with eager collectors and shadowy figures, all vying for a piece of history. The bidding escalates rapidly, culminating in a staggering $1 million, a testament to the coin's allure and significance. The auction attracts not only legitimate collectors, but also the attention of criminals, drawn by the coin's immense value. In a twist of fate, Sarah decides to donate the proceeds from the auction to historical preservation, ensuring that the coin's legacy endures beyond its monetary worth. Her decision bridges the past and present, allowing the story of the 1861 Confederate half-dollar to live on, inspiring future generations to cherish and learn from history. Through her actions, Sarah transforms a simple transaction into a meaningful contribution to the preservation of heritage.